what's up? So today, as promised, we will be working around strings again, where we will be talking about how we can format it. Okay, so now let me first just create new Python file where I'll be writing string formatting, and yes, and control, and I'll scroll a little so that it becomes big for you. All right, cool. So if I say, like, if I want you to print something like, he said, okay, cool, say ID said, I'll give a comma, and then I saw a ghost. Did you even? Okay, let's say I'm writing such a sentence. So definitely, if I want to print this sentence, have a look what happens. This whole sentence, I'll just copy it, put it in, paste it. See, it's already right now telling me that there is some issue with this. Okay, so now how to solve this problem? Let's see what's the issue. First of all, definitely it's a syntax error. It's invalid because first of all, I'm adding a comma, again starting something over here. It's so many times. It's very confusing for Python to understand what exactly do we want from it. Okay, so let's try to figure out. This was the sentence. Okay, so now I'll say, actually, I can also add, did you even, I saw few ghosts, just to enhance this, ghosts. Okay, something like this. Okay, now we need to solve this problem. So one way is definitely, which we all know, to get away with this is triple quotes, right? And if I run this, still it gives me an error. Do you know why? Because they all are similar quotes. That means what you need is that single kind wala quotes, these three. And you need over here also these three. Now it works well. It should. So see, this is one. But definitely every time we can't use this, right? That there should be some other ways as well to do this job. So let's explore that. Okay. Oh, I should have kept it. My bad. Okay. Yeah, let me just copy and paste this. I've kept it for your reference. Okay. So first of all, this is fine. She said, let me just remove these extras. Now what's the issue? See, she said, I saw few ghosts. What is this? There is this line, this quote over here, which is making it not appear, like if this thing is not appearing together. So if I try to run this, it will tell me that there is some issue with this part. Okay, so let's try adding this. Okay, now let's try running it again. So it works. So that means wherever you have this extra, you can use slash. Okay, even there is one more way how you can solve this problem is that over here, if you just put a slash, obviously the forward one, not here, let's say somewhere over here, maybe a slash again, and let me just bring this okay. I am missing out something. I'm for sure missing out something. This should start here. Did you even? This is here. Oh, I guess this needs to be here. Okay, cool. This, now it's fine. And now if I run it, it'll work fine. That means this is also double quotes. And here also inside I have the double quotes, which needs to be visible. And over here, if you want, you can just put this forward slash over here to make it much more prominent, that this is this to this part. You don't have to see. Okay, now there are a few more things, okay, that I would really like to tell you about. So I can just do one thing. I'll just take this line again, I'll copy it, and I'll just paste it over here. Now I want this to be printed, right? Let me just directly print this thingy, and yeah, cool. Now what do we need next? Simran Kumari, if I put a slash n over here, okay, what will happen? Let's see. See, Simran Kumari is showing Python example. Pardon my SNS. Anyways, so Simran Kumari is showing Python example. I want this line to be broken from here, from the middle. There are also a few more things. Just like n slash, you also have a slash t. That means this is tab. It gives a tab between, like extra spaces, tab between the words. Okay. This is horizontal tab, and there is also something known as a vertical tab. Now, how does it look like? It's giving us something, but it's not really visible. So yeah, so mostly you need to know about horizontal tab and slash n. Okay, now these are a few of the things which is known as this escape sequence. You can give a read about it anywhere online. It would be a great start. Now there is also one more method, inbuilt method in string, and it is known as format method for formatting the strings. Okay, so now how you do that? So let's try this out right now. And there you go. Let me simply write it down over here. First of all, as I said, I'll be talking about format function. So this is how format function looks like. And let me just take another cent is equal to, it's just a variable. Let's take these 1, comma, let's take 3 of these. I'm sure you'll understand it when we do it completely. Till then, have patience and have a look what I'm doing. Alright, on format, this is the format, and over here I'll take this up and write down Simran as usual. Then I'll give a comma and I'll write down, let's say, Meety, and one more I'll write down Dolly. Okay, it was giving you error till you wrote Dolly, right? That means you need, if there are 3 of them, you need 3 of them. It should be equal. Now if I try to run this sent, have a look what happens. It's really a good magic. Simran, Meety and Dolly, exactly the way we want. Dot format, what do we want in these stuff? It's this. Even there is one more way what you can do over here. Let me just quickly copy and paste this, guys, so that I can show it to you easily. So you can just do this one as S. S is equal to this. M is equal to this, and D is equal to this. Now what to do with this? Simple. S, it's kind of storing in the variable. That's what this means, okay? And 1 is D. All right, now if I quickly run this, it gives me the same result. Okay, cool. To show you the difference, let me just add a few I's over here and run it again. Cool. This is another, this is another. This is the word you can use. Even there is one more way which I would like to show you. This is the last way which I would really like to show you over here with the format thingy. That is 0, 1 and 2. That is indexing. Okay. If I write down 0, 1 and 2, there are 3. With indexing, we okay, now if I run it again, have a look. Let me change a little with many L's now. Okay. And let me run it. See, it works. So these are the few different things that you need to know when you're formatting your strings or letters. There are many more things you can format, that is talking about decimals. Okay, if you want to format the decimals up to, let's say, round it off to the third or the second point stuff. What do I mean is exactly this. Wait, let me just first print 1 divide 3, and let me just run this so that you can see the value. Have a look, there is so many 3s. Okay, now what I just want the 2 3s over here, not more, only 2. But how to do that? That's the challenge. Okay, so you can simply print, definitely you will take these brackets. Without this you can't use format. Okay, and then what you'll do, you'll simply write down from 0 till where do you want it, point to F. Okay, and what do you want? Okay, so you don't need this here. Definitely do need it, but okay, cool. Yes, now this is better. Oops. Okay, and dot format. What do you need to format? Let me format 1 divided by 3. Okay, and let me just quickly run it. See, it just gives the 2 values of it. Okay, so this is how you do it. Now I'll go into few more examples related to this string. Okay, last few examples where we will work with few string methods. Okay, in the next video. So the next video will be on string methods. Till then, have a great day and keep practicing Python.